Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install Verada taillights onto a Magna. Removing the taillight is very simple. This trim here comes down, remove two clips. You can pull that carpet back if you like. Two plugs and then three 10mm nuts. Looking at the left hand side taillight, you need to ensure that you have the Verada globes and wiring. So we have the indicator, two rear lamps as opposed to one on the Magna, and there's no reverse light provision in the tail lamp because on the Verada it's in the center garnish, so we need to add a reverse light. The reverse light will come off your TJ taillights. In terms of fitting the reverse light, there's a space to the left of the indicator, so that's where the indicator slots in. There's a space there, so you need to drill a hole. Just experiment with the size until the reverse light will slot in, and then use some hot glue to secure it. The reason why it needs to go here is so that it will shine through the white part of the taillight lens, not the red. Once that's secure, we can then wire it in. From the reverse light, we have a black and a blue wire. The black negative wire connects to the black negative wire on the Verada wiring and globes. The blue wire, with an extension, I suggest, connects into this plug here, top right hand corner. Unplug, slot the wire in, plug it back in. This plug here is the same on the Magna and the Verada taillights, and it goes in here. So connect it up that way, everything should work. There we go, job done. You can see the reverse light there. Any comments or questions, leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.